Good afternoon. In this video, we are going to talk about proposition 11 from book 1. So this proposition declares that we are able to construct a straight line right angle to a given straight line at a given point on this straight line. Okay? So for example, we are given a straight line L and a random point P on this straight line. Okay? So in the first step, let's randomly pick up a point on this straight line, for example, A. Okay. Then please recall proposition 3. With two given straight lines, we are able to cut off a straight line from the longer one, which is equal to the shorter one. Okay. So let's assume AP is the shorter one, and L in the other side from P is the longer one. Okay, so we can cut off a straight line. Let's assume PB such that PB is equal to PA because of proposition 3, right? So we have AP is equal to BP, right? And please recall proposition 1. We are able to construct an equilateral triangle on a finite given straight line. Okay, so let's assume AB is the finite straight line. Then we are able to construct an equilateral triangle. I will skip construction steps and directly draw an equilateral triangle. Great. So let's assume this triangle is ABC, right? So using postulate 1, given two specific points, we can join them a straight line, right? So let us join point C and point P. Okay? So CP is the straight line we are asked to prove because this angle and this angle are right. Let's give it a proof. So ABC is an equilateral triangle, so we can recall the definition of an equilateral triangle. Three edges are equal, so we have AC is equal to BC, right? And please note that CP is the shared side by these two triangles. So let's write it as CP is equal to CP. Now combine them, we have triangle ACP is equal to triangle BCP because of proposition 8. Side, side, side. Three sides are equal to each other respectively, so these two triangles are equal. Thus, these two angles are equal. We have CPA is equal to CPB, right? Then please recall what is a right angle in definition 10. So if two straight lines meet each other at a point, and if the two adjacent angles, this and this, are equal, then both of them are right angles. So please see what we have found. CP straight line and L straight line, they are meeting at the point P, and the two adjacent angles, this and this, CPA is equal to CPB. So this is the definition of a straight right angle, which means both CPA and CPB are right angles. They are 90 degrees. This concludes our proof. Thanks for watching, and in the next video we are going to talk about proposition 12. Have a good day.